Okay, here we are, Creekside Landing Marina. Aftermath sitting there, motley crew, ish time. They're all handling it just fine. They're liking that it's warmer. You know, it's approaching 50 degrees out here actually. Feels pretty good. No way to use these steps to get there. We've got a ramp that's still floating for now. We're going to exceed that. We'll have some water in the parking lot. If all the predictions are right, most likely it'll for sure get to that, and they may go up with the snow runoff and trying to make those estimates. So here we are. We still got access through our ramps, but wanted to show you, even if you have access, remember when you get out on these ramps, when it's when it's as flooded as this and they're completely supported end to end on these floats, these are generally narrow, and you can see how unstable they are. So use a lot of caution. You can easily lose your balance, and the next thing you're doing is you're going in the water. So be very careful about that. Flooding all up through here, as you can see. We've lost one set of steps there that they can't get to. Obviously, they lead into the water. Pretty soon, we're not going to have this ramp, so we'll be utilizing canoes and john boats and anything else to be able to get out and check on our boats. So, Captain Joe here, 2015 flood.